Hi everyone, welcome to Be Different for Success. Today we'll be talking about Facebook advertising. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing involves promoting your business, educating people, and selling products and services online to a target audience. You can do this effectively using various channels, including social media, Facebook, your business website, search engines, email marketing, video, a podcast, or your blog. What is content marketing? Content marketing is a strategy that focuses on creating content and distributing it in a way that reaches a specific audience. The goal ultimately is to get people to convert into customers by making a purchase. But to get there, you often need to build trust over time by offering various types of content like blog articles, video, email, social media posts, Facebook, webinars, ebooks, or podcast episodes. Content marketing is a long-term strategy. Once you gain your target audience's allegiance, you'll gain loyal customers and advocates for your brand. Which social media platforms should your business be using? After a small introduction about different platforms, we'll go deeper into Facebook ads. Each social media platform appeals to different demographics. We usually recommend choosing a couple to focus on to avoid spreading yourself too thin. Just be sure to pick the appropriate platforms for your target audience and niche. Facebook, the largest platform by far, suitable for advertising, lead generation, and building relationships. Instagram, the go-to platform for influencer marketing, building brand awareness, developing relationships, and selling unique products and services. Twitter, a fast-paced platform where you can engage with individuals looking for breaking news, announcements, and easily digestible content. LinkedIn, for B2B companies looking to generate leads, share editorial content, and build authority in a specific industry. Pinterest, a highly visual graphics-heavy platform ideal for driving sales. TikTok, a fun, bold, video-driven platform for posting short comedy, dance, and talent videos. YouTube, for publishing short and long-form entertainment, instructional videos, documentaries, and more. Second most visited platform after Google. Social media ads are the norm for entrepreneurs, both as consumers and business owners. So it's a safe bet that most entrepreneurs realize the power and reach of targeting capabilities. Maybe you've tried Facebook advertising, but it wasn't as effective as you hoped. Or maybe you're a believer who wants to take your ads to the next level. Either way, Facebook advertising is too powerful to be given up easily. There are 5 crucial considerations to accelerate conversions and ROI. Number 1. Getting very specific about your audience. Facebook has such impressive targeting capabilities, it's getting scary. After the basics like gender, age, and location, you can dive deep into people's interests and life stages. For example, you can target people in the market for a specific car make or model, or appeal to parents of newborns, or target people at specific income levels, plus interests and lifestyles such as frequent travelers. Hone in on your audience by specifying as many demographic, socioeconomic, and lifestyle characteristics as you can. Use Facebook's lookalike audience tool to find the top 1% that looks like your existing audience. In my experience, it can make a big difference in your targeting, because Facebook evaluates tens or hundreds of characteristics and signals, which we humans simply cannot do. Number 2. Placement is about content and context. Facebook now boasts many placement options, from good old timeline and right sidebar to Instagram, Audience Network, and Instant Articles. Audience Network is simply a network of partners such as various applications that will show your Facebook ads in their apps. You can select which placement you want to advertise on and which one you won't. This matters because different placements hint at different contexts and activities. A mobile newsfeed is obviously suggesting a person who is on the go, so you know not to offer him or her a 30-minute video or a large app to download. A person scrolling through a desktop newsfeed might be looking for casual entertainment and information. Instant Articles hint at people who like in-depth reading. Think about both the content of your ad and the context of your audience. Number 3. A/B testing is simple and effective. But don't take my word for any of this stuff. Go out and test everything. A/B testing is super powerful, yet super easy to do on Facebook these days. You can A/B test anything you'd like. Experiment with budgets and bidding strategies, placements, different audiences, even different images, and copy in the ads themselves. See what truly works for your business and your audience. How do I decide which audience to target or where to place my ads? I test all of these things for myself. Number 4. Facebook Pixel brings it all together. Facebook Pixel is the snippet of code you need installed on your site to drop cookies on your visitors to retarget them later and find similar audiences. This little helper makes your Facebook marketing so much more effective by tracking conversions on your site. Implement specific pixels to see how many people bought your products as a result of a Facebook ad, how many leads you got from form submissions, or how many people abandoned shopping carts before completing their purchase. Number 5. Advanced options create limitless opportunity. Once you are comfortable creating Facebook ads, dive into advanced options. You can schedule your ads to run during specific days and times. For example, you could run an ad for a lunch special at your restaurant to people in a 5-mile radius during lunch hours. Talk about relevancy. You can also specify to show your ads only to people who are connected to Wi-Fi. If you have a large file download or video you want them to watch, make their life easier and your chance of conversion higher. If you have an app for iOS, go a step further as you can specifically target people on iOS devices. How can you tell if your marketing is working? To determine whether your marketing strategies are effective, you first need to set goals. Then you need to measure your results over a specific period. There are 2 ways to measure your marketing results. One way is through qualitative marketing, and the other is through quantitative marketing. Quantitative marketing is measurable. Think about the number of Facebook likes you have, how many people open your last email, or how much traffic your website gets monthly. Those are all quantitative measurements. Tracking these types of numbers can show you whether your business is growing over time. Qualitative marketing involves measuring intangible results. Examples include building credibility and authority online, increasing brand awareness, and creating relationships with potential customers. Qualitative marketing provides your business with deep insight into why your customers interact with you and make purchases. For high-quality comprehensive insights, you should set both qualitative and quantitative marketing goals. Then you can measure yourself over time to see how your business is performing and whether your marketing efforts are successful. Bottom line, Facebook packed a ton of value in a seemingly simple tool. If you haven't experienced with Facebook ads or tried it and didn't see the results you wanted, don't get discouraged. Keep trying. There are so many ways to set up your promotions with different audiences and media that you just have to go through some trial and error to figure out the perfect mix that works for your business. You don't have to spend a fortune either. I started testing different ads with a $5 daily budget. Once you find out what works for you and brings you value back, you can increase the budget or run a few different ads simultaneously. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.